students. Now we will continue decimal fractions, exercise 5.4. The whole exercise is in your syllabus. Find the product. 7.36. Question number 1. 7.36 multiply by 2.4. In the last lecture I told you, simply you multiply the product, then you put the decimal. Now multiply 6 4s are 24, 2, 4 3s are 12, 2 14, 1, 7 4s are 28 and 1 29. Cross means 0, 6 2s are 12, these are 6 and 1 7, 7 2s are 14. Add it, 7, 1. Now see students, after decimal look carefully. After decimal how many digits are there? 1, 2. This also you have to count. 1, 2, 3. So from the back you have to count 1, 2, 3. Put the decimal here. This is the answer. All of you know the multiplication. Simply multiply. Then you have to count the digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3. From the back you have to count 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal. Now see here, 1.8 into 0.2. 8 2s are 16, 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 0, no need to multiply. Now see after decimal how many digits are there? 1, 2. So from the back you have to count 1, 2. Here will be the decimal. You will write 0.36. Answer is 0.36. 30.12 multiply by 1.41. See here students, first multiply. Simple, don't see the decimal, simply multiply. 1 2s are 2, 0, 3, cross, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 0, 4 3s are 12. Double cross, 3 0 1 2. Add it. 2, 9, 6, 4, 2, 4. Is it correct? Yes, 2, 3 and 1, 4. Now count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here will be the decimal. This is the answer. Got it all of you? Very easy. Now see here, question number 25. All sums you have to do same way. You multiply, and if you are having any doubts you can ask me. Multiply 3.425 by 8. Multiply by 8. Then write on the product orally when this is multiplied by 80. See here. First multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40. 4. 8 2s are 16 and 4 20. 2. 8 4 32, 30 34, 3, 8 are 24 and 3 27. After decimal how many are there? 1, 2, 3. From the back 3. This is the answer here. Again multiply 8. Is it correct? 8 for the 40, 4, 8 for 16 and 4 20, 2, 8 for 32 and 3 2 34, 3, 8 is the 24 and 3 27. Now he is saying do it orally. 3.425 multiply by 80. Now see here, we are having 8 here na? Now it is 80. So 1 0 is there. Decimal will be shifted here. 274. See here all of you, when you are multiplying by 80, 1 0 will be less. So it will shift the decimal to the 1 place. So 274.00 you will get. If you are multiplying by 800, 3.845 multiply by 800. Now there are 2 zeros. Yes. So it will be shifted to 2 place. 274 0.0. Got it all of you? If you want to see your answer is correct, you can do it simply. The over 1000. See here. After decimal 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros in the denominator. 2 0 2 0 cancels. When you multiply by 8, you are having 27400 divided by 10. 1 0 1 0 cancel, 2740. So orally we have to do, if 2 zeros are there, shift the decimal to 2 place. Answer, we have to shift the decimal. Got it all of you? Next sum also same way you have to do. 47 into 36. See here. Only shift the decimals. 47 into 36, that is 1692. Now here we are having, they are saying without performing multiplication, 4.7 into 3.6. Now see here students, after decimal 1, here also 1, 2 are there. So we have to put the decimal from the back, 1, 2. It will become 16.92. Got it? 4.7 into 36. Number will be same. Here after decimal how many digit? 1. From the back 1. Got it all of you? If we are having like this 4.7 into 0.36. Answer will be same 1692. Now count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3. From the back 1, 2, 3. This will be the answer. Got it? Yes, 27th question also you have to find the product. Now come to question number 28. If cost of 1 meter of cloth, cost of 1 meter cloth is given, how much? Rupees 14.75. You have to find the cost of 2.25 meter cloth. It will become 14.75 into 2.25. You have to multiply and answer you have to put the decimal from the back. Next question. The planet Mercury takes 87.9 days to travel around the Sun. The planet Mars takes about 7.8 times as long as planet Mercury. How many days does it take Mars to travel around the Sun? You have to multiply. You have to multiply. See here all of you. You should learn the tables very thoroughly. For multiplication, tables are must. Planet Mercury takes, this is question number 29. Planet Mercury takes how many days? It takes 87.9 days. 87.9 days to travel around the Sun. To travel around the Sun. Got it, students? Now what he is saying, the planet Mars take how much time? It takes 7.8 times as long as Mercury takes. 89.7. Multiply it. 87.9 multiplied by 7.8. 9 8s are 72. 7 8s are 56 and 7 63. 6 carry over. 8 8s are 64 and 6 70. Again multiply. 9 8s are 72. 7 8 7s are 56 and 7 63. 6 8 8s are 64 and 6 70. Cross. 7 9s are 63. 6 7 7s are 49. 50 55. 5 7 9 8s are 56 and 5 61. Multiply 2 times. There should be no calculation mistake. 7 9s are 63. 6 7 7s are 49 and 6 55. 5 here. 8 7s are 56 and 5 61. 2 6 5 8 6. Now see after decimal how many parts are there? 1 2. From the back this much days it will take. Got it? If 1 kg milk is given, if 1 kg milk has 0.267 kg of fat, how much fat is there in 10.5 kg milk? Again you have to multiply it with 10.5. 31st question also, cost of 1 kg tea is given. We have to find the cost of 12.5 kg. You have to multiply 44.75 into 12.5. Cost of 1 meter rubber is given. What will be the cost of 8.5 meter? First you will write cost of 1 meter rubber. How much is the cost of 1 meter rubber? Rupees 3.25. So cost of 8.5 meter rubber. So you have to multiply 3.25 multiply by 8.5. You can multiply below. I will multiply here. 3.25 into 8.5. 5 is the 25, 2. 5 is the 10 and 2, 12, 1. 5 is the 15 and 1, 16. 8 5 is the 44. 8 is the 16 and 4, 20. 2, 24 and 2, 26. One time again multiply. 25, 2. 5 is the 10 and 2, 12, 1. 5 is the 15 and 16. 8 5 is the 44. 8 is 16 and 4, 20. 2. 8 is the 24 and 2, 26. Add it. 5, 2, 6, 7, 2. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1 here also and here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 27.625. This much rupees. Got it, students? Now come to the last exercise. Exercise 5.5. Very easy. I will tell you the steps how to do. Then you have to do it blanks. You can do it in the book itself. Exercise 5.5. Question number 1. 0.6 into 0.7 equal to 0.7 into dash. You have to see 0.7 is both sides. What is left? 0. It is commutative. 0.6 will come here. Got it? 4.17 into 1. Anything multiplied by 1? Same number. 5 ones are 5. 4.17 into 1? 4.17. If you are having same numbers both sides, so you will multiply by 1. If you are having 0, 81.25 into 0, that answer will be 0. Dash multiplied by 55.575 is 0. Then also answer will be 0. Anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. With this, we have completed exercise 5.5 and the syllabus is finished for the first term. If you are having any queries, you can WhatsApp me personally. Thank you, students.